Good morning, my little chickadees. Today we will be going over lesson 13, dividing fractions. Now this isn't something new. We've been doing this for a while in both my class, Miss Irvine's class, and Miss Devine's class. So it's just good to go over it again. Now, I know some of us were having problems with dividing fractions. They can be kind of difficult because it's a multi-step, but you guys can do it, especially those of you in my class who have the notes that are written down step by step on how to divide fractions. Okay, so our worksheet here, they did give us some feedback on how to divide fractions, but this can be a little confusing, and if it is, that's okay. Just ignore it and we will go over different ways how to do it. Or you can look at your math notebook to figure out how to do that if you took it home with you. Okay, so here's our three-step process. First step, turn the second fraction, the one you want to divide by, upside down, and that's now the reciprocal. Step 2, you're going to multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. And then you're going to simplify. And I'm going to tell you from here on out, we're most likely going to be simplifying, so just get ready to do that. Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now that my animation's a little wonky. As you can see, for some reason, some fractions are bigger than other fractions, font-wise. I'm not sure why, but we'll survive. Okay, so we have 1/2 divided by 4/5, and we're going to go ahead and do the reciprocal of that. So we rewrite 4/5, and then we're changing this number and this number here. So this is our reciprocal. This is the one we're going to flip, and it becomes a multiplication problem. So now it's 4/5 times 2/1. Which is the same as saying 4/5 times 2 wholes. Now our next step is to multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. But we can't just leave it at that, because it is an improper fraction. Now, in case you forgot, we'll go over how to turn improper fractions into mixed fractions. So, what's an improper fraction, in case we forgot? Improper fractions are when the numerator, the top number, is larger than the denominator, which is the bottom number. So, what do we do when we see an improper fraction? Well, we need to convert it into a mixed fraction. We do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. And then you write down the whole number as the answer, and then you write down any remainder above the denominator. So remember, when I'm showing you how to do this through this video here, I don't have the option to show you the long division way, so you're going to have to kind of think back and remember how to do that, or go and look in your math notebook. Hopefully you took it home, and you'll be able to figure it out from there. Okay, so here we are. We got our improper fraction, 8/5. So now we divide 5 by 8, and 5 can only go into 8 one time, and then we'll have a remainder of 3. And that becomes 1 3/5. So this is the whole number, right? The whole number. The remainder becomes our numerator, and then the divisor is our denominator. Okay, hopefully this has helped you out. If you don't have this paper, it is up on our classroom, Google Classroom, and later today, I will be putting up the answers for 1 and 2, but I want to give you guys some time to try it on your own. Remember, you can use scratch paper, you can write on whatever you got in order to help you do this. So don't worry if you don't have this paper. Don't worry at all, okay? Okay, well, just to let you guys know, I miss you very much, and hopefully we'll get to see you soon. Bye.